Hubor ke Jowai Diocese meeting. Ka Synjuk Kynthai Katholik Jowai Diocese kala pelong ya leadership training ke basisngi menta ke life heuterik ulber arjar arpundriu kabala ai da sister Sunanda i regional secretary women commission harengkat ke jingedon lang i advisor ke women commission kong Angela Bamon bat ya kebalawan ban ai mensimru da i most reverend Ferdinand Khar i bishop ke Jowai Diocese Shuaban sedang ya ke program layo ya ke kintin pedang burom na i presiden ke Synjuk Kynthai Katholik Jowai Diocese ikong Martina Bamon ibala pedang sabahaya baro ke balai ya shimbenta ke balai don lang om dunai ke prapongut AA i sister Sunanda haba ai mense me ginongkit kam ke diocese ilahikai ki kumno banlong ki bayasha ki basngeurit ki bayas ngeutu jingmut ki bayat trelang ki bayat buram markeliang ki bakentiu ye ki long kme haga kam mense bat banlong ro ki baslur banlong kum ki nong yalam haga balang hagi imlang salang bat kum juro hagi kam san perthai bat khaddu e kalahikai ki long kme kumno banlong ki baduai barbo rengkat bat kayeng kasam
What did we learn? We had a direction. Okay, reach here. Group work, group together, stay together. Okay, so you reached here. Then I told you to break without using your hand. You can use by sitting also you can break it. Or you are stepping also you can break it. Eh? I said only don't use your hand. Okay, thank you so much. Now what we will do? We will continue. Now we will listen to the left side. What is the left side message? The last person will say the what was communicated to you. Last person.
Yat Bha.
Yeah?
Yat Bha. Yat Bha.
Okay. Now you tell me the what I told you.
Today is a raining day.
Today is a raining day.
Leadership and power.
Leadership and power.
Yeah, I told her that leadership is to lead the women in the parish. This time from English word to
See, it's okay because of the your language. But see, a leader is able to speak well, communicate well, and listen well. Okay. So now I gave one message. Today is a rainy day. I told you. Then you told me. We are giving a message, you know. Telling, at the end, it will give something else. Yeah? Same way with women and empowerment, and it became another word. So now you understand? Yes. How important to communicate and how we change something different. Okay, let's all laugh together and clap our hands. Okay. So one quality is communicate well and convince the person very well. and also a good leader always will keep good morality, means good example. Her morality will be good. She will be an example for others. She will not, okay, we have to behave, we are married women, no? It's a married women. Yes. Then we have to keep up our morality. Huh? Our standard we have to keep up. And if we tell others, keep your family united, live happily with the husband and wife, and at the end what do? You go with another man. Is there any morality? No. No, that's not. What we speak, what we do. Okay. We cannot give up our children. If you are a married person, happily you live with your husband and wife. Husband and wife. Madam Margaret here, she told me also, she said here, we have lot of family problem. No, in our family, we struggle for, yes?
Trinitas, not Margaret.
Okay.
Trinitas.
So we have lot of family problem. Everybody knows, no?
Yes.
Yes, everybody knows that. So we need to, they will go and tell the group to do the work, to take care of this. Then that leader will never go back to that side. That kind of leader do we need? Only, okay, it may be democratic leader, delegating leader, but the leader has also show like a servant leadership. Show and do and show. Not just, okay, one responsibility, now I have nothing to do. I have given that responsibilities to that person. I will not go and ask. Sometimes what will happen? In our dealings, in our activities, some people they don't like also. Every time, did you do the work? Give me the report. Give me that. So some people will not like. Members, you know. Why? Because the leader has to follow and ask the group how you are doing it. Please give this report on time. So like that the leader will be very energetic and active and will get the work being done, able to manage the work well. Okay. Now we learned now the